Residents Forum versus Kasukuwere. What is the judgment?
Well, the Residents Forum, which is a group of people who try to represent the residents in Harare and other cities, took Mr. Kasukuwere to court on the basis of Mr. Kasukuwere's promises and practice to give land in urban areas to Zanu-PF youths and Zanu-PF members. We have seen land being allocated in areas like Mavuku, Tafara, Rua, Harare South, and so on, Snake Park, and so on. These lands were being allocated to Zanu-PF people only. So there's a resident forum filed an application seeking three things. The first one was to seek a declaration that the practice to allocate residential stands only to Zanu-PF people was null and void, was unconstitutional, because it was discriminatory. The second was that the conduct of allocating stands by the minister in an area under the local authority contravenes certain sections of the Constitution, section 60, 264, 265, 274, 276 of the Constitution, which deal with devolution. And therefore, the encroachment of the Minister of Local Government to allocate residential stands within an area controlled by the municipality is also illegal. And the third one was that all allocations done by the minister are null and void. And of course that the minister must pay the costs of suit. What this means is that the land which was offered was allocated only to Zanu-PF people. Those allocations are null and void. And what we are trying to do here, what the court emphasized, was that it is illegal to discriminate, especially where the discrimination is black on black. So we are very excited that this is a progressive judgment, and to give credit to Minister Kasukuwere, he did not even oppose this application because there was really nothing to oppose. If he was to oppose, he was supposed to say that he is justified to discriminate black people, black on black, on the basis of political affiliation. He will only subject himself to ridicule. So we are very, very happy. This is a very, very good development.
Knowing Zanu-PF leadership in terms of respecting court judgments, do you see Kasukuwere, in as much as he might not have opposed today when the court ruling was delivered, do you see him following that judgment? Does it mean that he is going to stop completely?
Well, we know that Zanu-PF are arrogant, but if he doesn't follow the court judgment, we will just take him on. There are enough remedies for people who don't follow court judgments, and we will deal with him in his personal capacity as well as in his official capacity, but we will visit him on his personal capacity. We are waiting to see whether any government official is going to defy this court order, and we will deal with them. I think Zimbabweans have had enough of people who do not follow the laws that they actually set. This is in terms, everything is in terms of the Constitution that was signed into law by President Mugabe in 2013. And therefore, anybody who does not follow this law will have to be dealt with. I think now citizens have grown teeth to bite these big people.
You also mentioned one of the third thing was the stands that were allocated by Kasukuwere along partisan lines are null and void.
Yes.
What then happens to those people that were allocated the stands? What does it mean?
It is illegal. The allocation is illegal. The allocation has to be redone. And the allocation has to be redone by the correct authority. That is the municipality. That's number one. Number two, it has to be done along impartial, non-partisan lines. Everything that was allocated on the basis of political affiliation is null and void. This is the beauty of this judgment.
Thank you.